So every time I leave here recently, someone is going in and eating the cat food. I don't know who it is, so I figured I'm gonna put a camera in there and I'm gonna catch who's doing it, because I think I know who it is, but I'm not 100% sure. And I may be wrong, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put a camera in there and I'm gonna see who is munching on the cat food. So let's see. Let's see. That didn't go as planned. I mean, it could be him. I don't know. So I'm actually leaving. I gotta go run some errands. Got the camera back up and we'll see if one of the dogs goes in there. Again, I don't think it's him, but maybe. Okay, I didn't figure out, obviously, who's been eating the cat food, but I've narrowed it down to 2. But then again, I could, who knows? But anyways, I'm gonna have to make another video and I guess try to figure out who's doing it, so stay tuned.